Good day, ma'am. My name is Rafael S. Romero from Bachelor of Science in Criminology 3D. As I read and answer these case studies, I noticed that morality is shown here. Morality is the moral beliefs and practices of a culture, community, religion, or a code or system of moral rules, principles, or values. In other words, morality is the quality which makes an act good or bad, good or evil, or right or wrong. Each scenario shows the moral, immoral, and amoral nature of a person or individual. In case study number 1, it is shown here that a manufacturing company provides a job for the citizens or people living in a small town where employment is not easy to find. For a long time, the company has been complained about the problem caused by the byproducts flowing into the river, which has affected the lifestyle and health of people, especially those who live near the river. In my opinion, the problem caused by their company to the people living in the small town should be fixed or solved. In case study number 2, it is shown that the mother-in-law did not fulfill the promise that she and her daughter-in-law agreed upon, where the mother should throw the ashes of her deceased daughter into the sea. In my opinion, the reason why the mother-in-law did not keep her promise to her daughter is because she just wanted the ashes of her daughter-in-law to be near her. In case study number 3, it is shown that the teacher made a mistake with the uploaded file where the file has the answers indicated on it, but he immediately deleted the file. But he didn't know that there were students who saw that file and downloaded it. In my opinion, what the students did was wrong, even if we say that the teacher just made a mistake. They should not have taken advantage. In case study number 4, it shows the acceptance of the large monetary settlement offered by the company to the woman who was sexually harassed by a senior executive. She should not have been dazzled by the large amount that the company offered to her just to keep her quiet. She should have continued to file a case against the company as well as the senior executive who sexually harassed her. In case study number 5, it showed the wrong process implemented by a country in visa processing where they offered two procedures. And this is the regular track where you don't have to pay, but it takes a long time before your visa is processed. And the other one procedure is premium track where you pay 100,000 pesos to process your visa immediately. In my opinion, the procedure that the country is doing is wrong when it comes to visa processing, because it is unfair to people who cannot afford the premium track, because it will take them a long time to process their visa immediately. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.